Hi all. Okay, this time we'll do number 5. Let's run it and see what it does. Okay, so it says database selected is 1, database selected is, and it basically just prints out a list of the tables. Okay, so let's check out the code. Okay, so the first part is the same. It makes a connection to your database. And then we do MySQL select DB, where we select the Java database. That's the same as the previous one. We have a handle to it here. And then it says the database selected is DB selected. Now there, database selected is 1. So that just means true. Okay, so these are just things that I was playing with years ago. You can see here, this isn't what I was expecting. It says I got the return result and stored it in here, and then tried to print out the name of the database here. But instead it printed a 1, and then I tried DB for 0, and it didn't print anything. I was just experimenting with DB selecting to see what I could get out of it. And then down here would be the important part. We create a query, show tables from the Java database, and then use MySQL query to execute this SQL statement stored in here. Comes down here, runs that query, stores the results here, and then we check to make sure it worked. If there's no results in this variable, print out the error. And then this is where we have a comment and we print out the tables. And that's how we get this printout here. So this is the same as the previous one. MySQL fetch row on the result stores the first row in here, and then it prints out the text here, table, and then $row comes down to $row, prints out the first item in the array, and that's how we get customer here. See, this table is just text that's printed out here. Yeah, I'm just trying to see what tables are in that database. Okay, so then it comes up, grabs the next item, stores it here, prints out products. Comes up, grabs the third one, stores it here, prints out products enum, and so on. So that's how we just get a printout of the available tables inside of the database. Then we close the connection. And of course, there again, we should have a free the result, and then close the connection. Okay, so these were just some examples that I was playing with years ago. the last two, there's really nothing in these, so we won't worry about those. It's just things that I was experimenting with. So I think though that should be enough to get you started. You know, the examples show you how to get a connection to MySQL, run a SQL statement, print out the results. So hope it helps. See ya. Bye.